Hi students, welcome to your first day of CPT-4 coding. I'm just going to go through the syllabus a little bit. So let's go ahead and just a few things here. My email's listed. That is the best way to get a hold of me. And also I did put in here a Zoom number. So if there's a few students that want to Zoom with me Tuesday afternoons, Wednesday mornings, otherwise, I can set up a time by email. I am happy to Zoom with anybody. I would prefer to have a few of you at the same time. That would be great. So go ahead and, like I said, if you have a discussion group and decide, hey, we would like to Zoom with you, Shelly, not a problem. Best method, again, to contact me is through my emails. I do check them quite often. Weekends, I do check them 1 day a week. A lot of times I do check them 2 days a week. So just make sure that you don't wait till the last minute to do your homework because I may not have a chance to help you if needed. All right, so I do have the unit objectives, what we're going to go through. CPT like we did last year. We're going to do E&M again, anesthesiology, surgery by each system, medicine, radiology. We're going to get into level 2 HCPC coding. We'll do some APCs on the encoder. Book-wise, everybody should have the Professional Practice Edition. The next step, you also should have the 321 Coded workbook. We will do some problems out of there. This workbook we'll use in advanced coding too. It's actually a really nice workbook. So let's go down here. Make sure you read through this. This is pretty much the same thing you'll see in every class. When you are taking a test, make sure you are distracted or undistracted or distracted free is probably a better way to put it. Let's go ahead and just kind of look at the calendar itself. I did set up the calendar with pretty much your due dates ending on Monday night and your new units starting on Tuesday. Now exams are a little bit different, so make sure you pay close attention to when they are. Plan accordingly, set some time for those exams. We stick pretty much right to the syllabus. So, all right, so let's go to a little bit what we're going to be doing. So the first few days, we're going to just review CPT conventions and edits. Make sure you review if you've not looked at your text since you're the first course. Be sure to ask questions if needed. Make sure, again, email. You can ask other students through discussion. Make sure you find the module regarding the 3M encoder system. One thing to keep in mind, Amanda, the instructor from last year, did a couple of these. So it may not be me, but she did an awesome job, so that's why I did not change them. So the other thing too with reimbursement, we will deal with the Office of the Inspector General, which they detect fraud and abuse, which would be overpayment, underpayments. So that's all through coding errors, through improper coding. We'll look through CCI edits. So a lot of facilities use scrubbers, which catches a lot of this. So these are different things that we're going to be looking at this year. We also have modifiers are going to be big. So keep that in mind. We're going to be going through them. I do have a link here for CCI edits. They are built back into it. Your 3M system has it. So one thing to keep in mind, I am on the Piasta campus. I am not going out just due to the COVID this year. So if you do have issues, I can meet with you Zoom. Some of your lectures, just as I stayed here, are from Amanda Stortz, but they are very good. So let's start off this semester on a good note. Any questions, let me know.